कि घमंड न करना है दोस्त, जिंदगी में तकदीर बदलती रहती है, शीशा तो वही रहता है, बस तस्वीर बदलती रहती है। कि शाम ढले हर पंछी को घर जाना पड़ता है, कि शाम ढले हर पंछी को घर जाना पड़ता है, कौन यहाँ खुशी से मरता है, मर जाना पड़ता है। If a poor boy can be a president of America, so you also can be. If a newspaper seller can be a president of India, so you also can be a. Nothing is impossible for you. Believe in yourself. You can do all the things. Yes, that's what I'm saying. And in the last, spoken this like, but now I can speak this. And in the last, friend, I want to say a शायरी कि रास्ता भी जानता हूँ, चलना भी जानता हूँ, रास्ता भी जानता हूँ, चलना भी जानता हूँ, आग हूँ, जलना भी जानता हूँ। कि रास्ता भी जानता हूँ, चलना भी जानता हूँ, आग हूँ, जलना भी जानता हूँ, मुझे मोम ना समझना जो झट पिघल जाऊंगा, मैं तो सूरज हूँ, डूब कर फिर निकल जाऊंगा। So friends, as you all know that myself Mohammad Atif Ansari and I am from Kajipur Bhadoi, and my qualification M.Com, and I am learning spoken in Adroit Academy, assistant manager by Mr. Umesh sir and manager by Mr. Ajay sir and director by Mr. Rohit sir. So friends, clap for them. So friends, today I am here in front of you all. Today I gonna tell you a very important thing. If you will not understand my words, so it means that you will lose a very important thing. If you will not listen my words, so it means that you will lose a very important thing. That's why I am saying, listen carefully and properly my words. And you know guys, do you know guys Abraham Lincoln? Yeah. Yes. Everyone has idea about. Today everyone has idea about Abraham Lincoln. Because what is the reason? Reason is that he never give up in his life. That's why today we know that who is the Abraham Lincoln. That is the reason. Abraham Lincoln was a former president of America. And he faced many challenges in his life. But he didn't stop. He never give up. He was very poor. He had no money for learning. He had no money for speaking. He had no money for going to school. He had no money for eating food. He had no money for purchasing anything. But he didn't stop. He didn't stop. He lost his wife. He lost his brother. He lost his mother. He lost everything. But he didn't stop. But he didn't stop. That's the reason today we know that Abraham Lincoln. That is the reason. He didn't stop. He never gave up. That is the reason. He lost American president election many times. Many times he lost. But he didn't stop. And when we fail any time, and you know guys, Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison failed 1000 times in his experiment. But he didn't stop. He never gave up. And today we failed an exam and we say that how will I succeed? How can I be a successful person? If we fail in exam, we say that how will I success? It's the success? No, it's not success. If you want to be a successful person, if you want to be a grateful person, so do hard work, because nothing is impossible for you. Yes, guys, that's why I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen, please care my words, understand my words. If today you will not care my words, you will not understand my words, you will lose very important thing. That's why I'm saying. I am audible to you? You know guys, when I came here, then I have no idea about English. That time I have no idea about English. And when I joined PSC first time, then I spoke 2 lines. That time I spoke 2 lines in PSC, and this is the place. This is the place. That time I spoke 2 lines first time, and I spoke 20 seconds. That time I spoke 20 seconds and 2 lines. And I saw many people was laughing on me, and then I became very unhappy. And when I went to my home, and I thought, and then I not joined 2 PSC continuously. Then I did not join 2 PSC continuously. Yes. And when I came back again, then once again I failed. And I saw once again people was laughing on me. And then I went to my home, and I was thinking, how will I succeed? Then I was thinking that leave coaching. English is not important. I never can do this. It's very bad. People will laughing me. No, I cannot do. I will not do, because I cannot do. Then I thought that if I will not do, so how will I be success? How will I be a great person in my life? How will I be a spokesperson in my life? Then once again I come, and you know guys, that time I spoke 20 seconds, but now I can speak 2 hours. Yes, it's my ability, it's my power. This time I can speak. This is the power. This is the power of Adroit Academy. This is the power of Adroit Academy. That time I could have spoken only 2 lines and 20 seconds, but now I can speak 2 hours and 200 lines. This is the power of Adroit Academy. So friends, nothing is impossible for you in this world. But when you believe in yourself, you can do everything in this world. Nothing is impossible in this world for you. But when you will believe in yourself that I can do it. Yes, I can do it. If I can do, so you also can do. If I can speak, so you also can speak. Because nothing is impossible for you. Yes. That's why I am saying, friends. And you know, confidence is very important thing. But overconfidence is not important. Because you know guys, when we become overconfident, when we think that's why I am saying, क्योंकि किसी शायर ने क्या खूब कहा है कि घमंड न करना है दोस्त जिंदगी में, तकदीर बदलती रहती है, शीशा तो वही रहता है, बस तस्वीर बदलती रहती है.